Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In some of the previous videos we were checking out the software that you're seeing on screen right now that is called Higgsfield. In Higgsfield you can create videos using a multitude of tools. In the previous videos we have been checking out some of those tools. You can create images based on prompts. You can then edit those images with new prompts. If you haven't checked out those videos, I really invite you to go to the channel and do so, because the capabilities of this software are really amazing. On this video we're going to be checking out another function where you can face swap your face or someone else's face into another image. Just as a reminder, I am using one of the paid plans of Higgsfield. If you want to use one of these as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial, and I'll be showing you how to do the face swap. This is the homepage of Higgsfield, what you're seeing on screen right now. As you see, there are a bunch of different tools on the top right here that you can use. There are some image tools, video tools, editing tool, character tools, and so on. The one that we were checking out in the previous video is called Popcorn. This is a free tool where you can create images. Once again, if you haven't checked it out, go to the channel and do so. On this video we're going to go to the image tool and then go to face swap, where it says create realistic face swaps. In this screen right here there are two options where you can upload your photo, that would be a photo of your face or the face that you want to use, and then upload a target image. The target image that I'm going to upload is Ryan Gosling in the movie Drive. I have it right here on the desktop. It is loading, as you see right here on the bottom. And the face that I want to insert into that target image is an image of my face. So I'm going to upload that as well. I have it right here. This is my face and this is the target image, the one with Ryan Gosling. Right here on the bottom you have a couple of options that you can change. If you click on the face swap option, you can change it for Higgsfield Soul, where you have ultra realistic fashion visuals. You can do character swap and you can select different engines as well. I'm going to leave it in the Higgsfield face swap so you can see what the basic functionalities are capable of. Next to that you have the auto option, where you can select the aspect ratio of the final image. As an auto tool is going to select the target image aspect ratio, but you could use any of these for a multitude of scenarios. For example, if you were to use it in a short format video, you would use 9:16. Otherwise, if you were to use the image as a part of a long format video, you would use 16:9. If it were for a post, you would use 1:1. So these are the options that you have regarding the usage that you're going to give that image. Once you have both tools in place, you can just click on generate. Then the software is going to take a couple of seconds to create your image. It first says that it is in queue, and after a couple of minutes the software has created the image. As you see, it used my face to swap it with Ryan Gosling's face. There are some errors in the image, such as the green eyes. If you don't like the way that the image was created, you can also recreate it using this option right here next to the download button. Let's click it once again. I'm going to generate a new image to see if the eyes are made a bit better. So the second time around the software did a much better job, as you're seeing on screen right now. This is the second portrait that the software did. As you saw, my face is very well used. It really looks like me, but it is imposed into Ryan Gosling's character. You can also go to this option right here where you can animate your image. You can make a video out of that image. You can make the image speak. You can make a UGC for you to use in, let's say, product videos, or you can draw inside of the video as well. I'm gonna click on the video option as of now. You can describe what you want to have in that scene. I'm just gonna write character walking. These are some of the different projects that we created in the previous videos. You can select also the model that is going to be used. I find that the Higgsfield model is really good and accurate. You can also select the duration of the final video, 3 seconds or 5 seconds. You can select the random, you can select the seed of the video and how many steps is going to take the video. You can also add an end frame. For example, if you have an image where you want the video to start and then an end frame where you want the image to end, you can do it that way as well. And I'm just gonna click on generate, and wait for a couple of minutes for the software to create the video out of the image that we've just created with the face swap. And after a couple of seconds, the software has already created the video. The prompt was a bit refined with the AI as well. I just wrote character walking, and the prompt that the software used is this one on the right. It says a character strides purposely down a dimly lit alley, his confident demeanor contrasting with the oppressive shadows, and so on. As you see, it's a very long prompt. It just did it with this little prompt that I wrote, character walking. So let's check out the video. As you see, it created a really short video of myself walking. There are some parts that you could refine, for example, how the eyes look in the final video. But all in all, this is a really impressive tool where you can animate a video after you face swap your face into another target image. Let's do it once again, trying another character. Let's say that I'm going to be the face once again. But right now, the target image is going to be Frodo from The Lord of the Rings. I have his image right here. So let's generate that image and see what the software does in this case. And this is the final image that the software produced. I find it really amazing because that is exactly the way that my hair looks when it's longer. As you see, the whole process takes less than 5 minutes. You can face swap your face into any target image that you want, and then you can use that image in a multitude of scenarios. I really invite you to stay tuned because this is just one of the tools that we're checking out regarding Higgsfield. In the upcoming videos, we're going to be checking out more ways in which you can use this amazing software. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this tutorial. I want to read all of your comments down below to see if you've already used it or not. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.